Is your Snapchat microphone disabled and not working on your iPhone? Here are Snapchat microphone settings and troubleshooting to get back Snapchat microphone settings on your iPhone. First, enable the microphone from the app settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to Privacy and Security. For earlier iOS version, select Privacy Settings. Now, scroll and find a microphone on the list. Enable the microphone toggle from here. If it is grayed out due to screen time restrictions or missing because of a bug, here's the following solution to make it re-accessible. Under the Settings app, scroll to Screen Time. Again, scroll to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Under the Microphone Restrictions, select Allow Changes. Now, go back and recheck the microphone settings under the Snapchat app settings. Now, enable the microphone toggle. That's it if the Snapchat settings are missing or not showing. Then delete the Snapchat app and reinstall the app. Find the Snapchat app on your iPhone home screen. Touch and hold onto the app icon until you see the Remove App option in the menu. Select the Delete App option and confirm with the Delete option. Now, the Snapchat app is deleted from your iPhone. To reinstall Snapchat from the App Store, open the App Store on your iPhone. Search Snapchat in the app search box and re-download the app by tapping on the cloud with a down arrow icon. Open the Snapchat app, log in your account, and allow different permissions for notifications, microphone, and media file access. Test the mic with alternative audio recording applications such as Apple Voice Memos. Subsequently, verify the functionality of your microphone. If the audio quality is compromised, employ a soft baby brush to clean the speaker grill located at the bottom and rear of your iPhone. If your iPhone's microphone is acting up, it might be because of a software bug. In that case, I suggest you try restarting your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button and volume down button. Then only press and hold the power button until you see Apple logo on screen. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and check the issue is fixed. It's a simple solution that often works wonders. If your iPhone's microphone isn't working for Snapchat or other apps, try resetting all your settings. This will reset your iPhone to its default settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll to the General option. Again, scroll to the Transfer or Reset a Phone option. Tap on Reset. Now, select Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and verify it with Reset All Settings. This will reset all settings, but no data or media will be deleted. Still, nothing helped. You can contact Snapchat support and raise a bug report to Snapchat from the website. For your iPhone hardware problem, contact Apple support or check the warranty to get free repair and replacement. If you found something helpful and fixed it, don't miss to share it with everyone. Thumbs up for support and comment below for any questions.